empowering yourself to thrive professionally. Career success is achievable for everyone. You need to build your inner strength to experience this transformation. Listen to this empowerment exercise daily until you truly believe it's possible for you. First, let's eliminate the accumulated effect of never having thrived in your career, in this life and past lives, affecting both ancestors and descendants. We are erasing the cumulative impact of working solely for money. We are removing the effects of doing work that doesn't inspire or fulfill you. We're clearing away the misconceptions and self-doubt about your ability to advance professionally, whether it's about knowledge, skills, or networking. We're eliminating limiting beliefs from both internal and external sources. Reset to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. I'm aligning you with your job or business and your job or business with you. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, and front to back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'm separating you from all colleagues who aren't thriving, who have low incomes, and who lack job satisfaction. I'm elevating you to the level of all those who are continuously prospering. Let everything be centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to connect your central nervous system with everyone you interact with professionally, both directly and indirectly, in all possible combinations. I'm integrating you into your daily activities and your daily activities into you. We're making this connection and integration again from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, and front to back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Stay strong by maintaining a clear purpose, focusing on your goals, and paying attention to your daily tasks. We're eliminating the weaknesses that come from routine, repetition, and lack of daily control. We're clearing away the built-up effects of uncertainty, grief, frustration, rage, anger, and all other emotions, whether they've been repressed or expressed. We're resetting everything to zero completely and infinitely. We're removing the energy of job dissatisfaction and the lack of knowledge and fulfillment that's holding you back from earning money. Let's separate your personal issues from your work problems, addressing both areas independently. We're balancing everything so that you're centered, stable, and in equilibrium. I'm empowering you to have a strong sense of belonging, identity, and a robust self-concept in your work, professional life, and finances. We're eliminating the misconception that you can't prosper because of the government, other people, or a lack of education and preparation. At zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's clear away the energy of all the economic problems that are currently blocking, limiting, or stagnating your career growth. We're erasing the negative information, perceptions, and interpretations you have about yourself, including your physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, economic, and relational aspects. At zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, we're removing the energy of excuses, complaints, and repressed anger related to how you earn money. I'm empowering you to transform problems into opportunities for growth, strengthening you to feel, perceive, and intuit multiple solutions to your problems, empowering you to accept, admit, and recognize that you can and should continuously prosper, strengthening you to learn new and diverse skills and knowledge that enhance your performance. We're eliminating the mental distortion that makes you feel others are against you. We eliminate the accumulated effect of problems, disappointments, betrayals, disloyalties, thefts, and injustices. Be strong enough to feel you can overcome your problems. Be strong to maintain neutrality, objectivity, and resilience when facing challenges. We separate weakening emotions, sensations, and reactions from those that strengthen us. We eliminate weaknesses and separate emotions, sensations, and reactions in all their possible combinations. We completely erase everything from zero to negative infinity, 100% of the time, for an infinite duration. We balance emotions, sensations, and reactions in all their possible combinations, ensuring they are centered, equilibrated, and stable, and we strengthen them to maintain a powerful neutrality. We erase distorted, exaggerated, magnified, generalized, unequal, and repeatedly negative perceptions. And we intensify our focus on the relationship between time, money, and effort. We eliminate the feeling of injustice that comes from working hard but earning little. We erase the influences from ancestors, descendants, physical environments, collective experiences, and past or future lives. We remove the cumulative effect of not feeling recognized, appreciated, or needed in your job or business to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase the misconception and false belief that prosperity must come through struggle, difficulty, and exhaustion. We eliminate the notion that you must deserve your income or suffer to earn it. We remove apathy, frustration, fatigue, pent-up anger, and hurt feelings towards work-related circumstances or people. To zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Be strong in finding inspiration from others. We erase the debilitating memories of failure, frustration, exhaustion, apathy, disinterest, and injustice that stem from your entire school experience. We eliminate fatigue caused by self-imposed pressure, perfectionism, and overall dissatisfaction. Be strong to consistently and continuously develop your leadership skills. Be strong to feel confident in your thoughts, actions, and words. Be strong to make objective and unbiased decisions that promote professional growth. Be strong to maintain clarity, transparency, and honesty in your daily actions. Be strong to take responsibility, acknowledge mistakes, and correct poor decisions. Be strong to motivate yourself every single day. Be strong to keep your purpose, objectives, and daily goals at the forefront of your mind. Be strong to give full attention to each task you undertake, performing it with the utmost excellence. Be strong to communicate assertively, convey ideas clearly, and use appropriate tones and words with the right people. Be strong to innovate every day. Connect your midline to the Earth's midline to yours, yours to the universe's midline, and the universe's back to your midline. Everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front and front to back. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong enough to feel the same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. Let's strengthen the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal boundaries, external boundaries, and vertices of all these geometries. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase all weaknesses, everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks this from being erased. We're going to remove all traces, vestiges, imprints, remnants, and impressions of everything we've erased. We remove resistance, we remove rejection and disbelief. We erase all of this to zero infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong enough to reboot your body, mind, and spirit. Strong enough to recalibrate your thinking, your perception, and your consciousness. And strong enough to reprogram your life's purpose. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. All right, tell me, how do you feel? The same or different?